Alright, so hi everyone. We had this particular class and this is one of the revision ones. So we'll basically be discussing four ones here today. Just give me a minute. So four AI tools that we'll be discussing here today. One would be temporary mail. This is not an AI tool but rather something which some of you may know, some of you may not. The next one is Notebook LLM. The next one is Adobe Podcast. And the final one shall be 11 labs. Now I guess you guys have already tried 11 labs, so I'll not be going into this, but I'd rather be revising all these three things. There are mainly two things that we have to learn from. The other temp mail I'll just introduce you. I'll start you with temp mail. So what basically that is, for suppose I have to log in somewhere and I do not want to use my real email, because you might have seen credits की problems आ जाती हैं. So to avoid that, temp mail is a very good solution. I can just go here anytime. Like, see, I've gotten temporary email here right now. It's just loading. I've got this email, and the next time I go here, because I do not want this, so it's just incognito window, and every time I open it again, it will refresh. If you open it in a normal window, it might happen that it takes some time to reset. But while going incognito, it always resets every time. So just gives you a new email every time to use. Yes, some services do not allow you temporary emails, but most of them do allow you. So we'll first of all go with Adobe Podcast. And this one does not allow having a temporary email. So I'll just go to my main account, which is this. Here I've already logged in Adobe Podcast. The good thing is it's enhanced speech feature, which will be the feature that you'll use the most. It is free. So for suppose you want to record a video or you want to give a background noise, कोई भी event है और उसको तुम्हें background voice देनी है, you need the audio to be very clear. So this is what this tool is particularly for. Okay, so just say I choose a tool. I'll just go here and I'll just pick up a file, and this is a recording that I have made. Okay, this is just for test purposes. Now you'll see what is the difference between both of them when it is unenhanced and the other when it is enhanced. I'll just show you how you can do that. It's being uploaded. So this is one of the files, Adobe Podcast. This is as soon as it uploads. The other one is Notebook LLM. This is useful particularly for studies. This is a very good thing if you need it for studies. The other would be making presentations. However, the limitation is you can't edit them. You can't edit once they have been made. They have been made. Okay, we'll just go back to it. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so
hello everyone. So this is just a test sample that is aimed towards you being able to clarify voices. Now you might have gone through several AIs in the course of your time ends, and yes, several of them do remove the background noises.
So but I guess you guys can already notice the difference between voices in both of them. I just need to go to hit download, and it has enhanced my voice. It has some credit limits that you can check. That is all about it. It is very useful, particularly in cases when you want your voice recorded for some particular thing. So the next one is Notebook LM, and this is completely free by Google. This is Google Notebook, whatever you say it. So it's family interface goes like this, and for suppose I want to create a new notebook, I'll just show you how you can do this. And you just add your resources. For suppose I want to study something sad, I want to study neural networks. Okay, now I get a particular video. Now I just want to see, it's a 57-minute video. 1 hour 39 minutes. So I just want this lecture to be presented for me. Okay, so I just copied the link. I add the source. You can add anything from uploading files to drive, anything from any of your places, and you can see the video that has been uploaded here. Now I want to create anything. Now I want to say sum up all the content in this video in slideshows. that covers up everything easily. ठीक है, so it will create me a presentation. Slide deck is mainly meant for presentations, or you want a video overview, or you want a mind map of anything, or you want a quiz to be created from this video, or you want an infographic is kind of useful for you can use it to make a formula sheet kind of thing. I go to detail, I go to professional, I just want this, and I want create me a summary sheet of this whole video. Make sure to include everything important. So that's done. I put up my prompt and it will produce both of these things. It is on work, the work is going on while it is being it just took a lot of time, and these just take up a lot of time while making, but at the end of the day it's worth it. If I could have put up a better prompt, the output have been better. Also, I haven't seen this video at all, but it's still shown me whatever that is covered up in the video. At least बहुत कुछ है 1 घंटे की वीडियो में से. So it depends upon how you break it down. That depends upon your prompt writing. Especially in the case of PDFs, I'd rather prefer कि आप अपनी पूरी book मान लो 300 पन्ने की book है. You can't expect it to be teaching you whole. So either you write the prompt in such a way that it breaks down each chapter, या फिर आप अपनी PDF को पहले से break down करके इस पर upload कर दें. Now it's a PPT that it has produced. So if you can see this, so it has shown everything that is like a summary or a crust of everything that is in the video. Okay, so this tool is useful in that particular aspect when you have to fetch information from a large amount of data. If there would have been 10 sources, from 10 sources से accumulative यहाँ पे आएगा. इसमें limitation ये है, और the best thing about it is beyond this video it will not fetch me any data from the internet. Okay, that is all about Notebook LM, and I've already told you Adobe Podcast. The other things we'll discuss in the next videos. So that is it. There were 4 tools basically that we discussed. Temp Mail, you would have guessed by now. Notebook LM, here PDFs, and not exactly PDFs, content you provide, and the prompt matters a lot. Okay, and this tool is mainly meant for studies. This is a very excellent tool if you want to go studies from like 300 पन्ने की PDF है, and you want to break it down into something like small fractions, या फिर an easier fractions that you can understand. So you can just Adobe train it. Adobe Podcast, that is mainly for voiceovers and stuff. If you want to go into content creation, that is different. But for other tools जैसे मेरे को वॉइस ओवर करना है, तो फिर मेरी वॉइस में से नहीं, बाहर से कोई वॉइस आ रही, that is all about it. The next thing we'll revise next class. Bye.